Hello friends, I am Dr Sadeep. In my channel, I will be uploading videos concerning the practical aspects of homeopathy, how to practice homeopathy in a classical way. So I have already done many videos on these topics, friends. If you are interested, please come to my channel and see those videos. If you are interested in this type of subjects, please subscribe our channel and like our channel and share our channel. So today's topic is quite important and everybody will be interested to see this video. What are the qualities of the physician to be a master and how to find his own way to the totality of the medicines? So first we will discuss qualities of the physician. So first quality what a homeopathic physician should have is he must be healthy himself. If not, if he is suffering, he cannot give the solution to the humanity. So he must be healthy in himself, in the mind, in the body and in the soul. So first quality. And the second quality is also is associated with this only. He must be calm. There must be no chit-chatting, there must be no confusion, there must be no any clutter in the mind when he is taking the case. He must be healthy, he must be calm, he must be integrated. So these are the very three basic qualities of the homeopathic physician should have. He must be integrated means he must be in his own self. That is to say, I am not telling that you must have an ego or you must have a status, you must have a coat, suit, boot, everything. No, it's not like that. He must be integrated in himself so that he can focus on the suffering patient, what exactly the patient is requiring. So this is one of the important things homeopathic physician should have. So these are the basic three qualities I told. Know all basics of homeopathy. All basics, that is from Materia Medica. Know all basics of homeopathy. I mean to say that all basics about principles, about Materia Medica, organum, philosophy, repertorization, case taking, every bit of a thing should be known by the homeopathic physician. So then only it will be easy to apply the things. He must know all the stuff of homeopathy. Third point, must not think about the knowing. So whenever you start thinking, knowing disappears. So knowing and thinking are diametrically opposite. Due to that reason, so you must know everything, a bit of a homeopathic, every bit of a homeopathic thing, but you must not think on those guidelines. So this is the another quality. The another important quality is do not try to match the medicines with the patients. So whenever you come across any patient, do not try and match the medicines. I mean to say, if you see a dirty person thinking that he is sulfur, if you see a very clean, very neat and tidy person matching it with arsenical, no, it is not like that. You must not try to match the medicines with the persons. First, we must have an open mind so that whatever the patient is giving, that is to say, whatever the symptoms, diseased symptoms, non-diseased symptoms, both to be considered, evaluated, then only you must come to the conclusion. So you must not try to match the medicines with the patients. This is one of the important quality a homeopathic physician should have. Another one important quality, friends, you must feel empty. Whenever you are taking the case, you must feel empty. I mean to say, you must be vacant. You must be a sky-like, so that whatever the patient is representing his symptoms, you must properly note it down. So if you are empty, if you are a plain paper, then it is possible to take down the totality of the patient, whatever he is trying to tell to you. So this is one of the important quality, friends. Another one important quality of homeopathic physician is whenever he is coming across any new case, it is a new case. It is a first time case. So you must not think that you know everything about that case. So that is very important because every case is a new case. If in this vision, if you start working, then the prejudice will not be there, then faults will be less and totality will be reached very easily. So whenever you come across any case, you should be in a state that it is a new case, a new approach, a new thing you are taking into consideration. So this is the important thing a homeopathic physician should have. Another one very important thing about a homeopathic physician is he must be a good listener. So listening and hearing are two aspects. So one is hearing, that is a mechanical hearing, that is whatever the patient is telling, you are noting it down. But listening is something very higher than the hearing. Listening means you are noting down each and every symptom, not only his symptom, between the lines also you are trying and noting it down. His gestures, his facial expressions, his emotions. So all these to be noted only when you are listening. If you are hearing, you will skip many of the things. Due to that reason, you must have a keen observing mind, keen observing eyes, and along with that, you must have a patience to listen the symptoms whatever the patient is giving. So these are the two important qualities. One is observing, another is listening. By observation, you will be observing whatever the body language he is giving, and another is whatever he is telling, you will be properly understanding. So about listening and observing, these are the important qualities of a homeopathic physician. So next, coming to the find your way to the totality. So there are many doctors, many physicians, many masters telling you the word, that is you must find your own way to reach the totality. So many a times in our colleges, professors, lecturers and all the teaching faculty will be telling to students, you must find your way to find the totality of the symptoms of each individual patient. But for a beginning homeopath, it will be a question always simply how to find the way of his own to find the totality of the patient. So it will be always a question. So here I am trying and making you understand what exactly that phrase means actually. So that try your own way to find the totality of the each individual patient. First point you must note down is you must use your common sense. So common sense is one of the important senses wherein you will be understanding the totality of the patient. So it is very common sense which will help you to discriminate what he is exactly saying and what he is not saying. So in between the words, if you go, then you can understand the importance of common sense, which will help to find your own way towards the totality of the patient. So this is one of the important thing a homeopathic physician should know whenever he has to drive his own way to find the totality. Second thing is what you are looking for in the patient. and how you are looking for. So what you are looking for the patient? You are looking for the guidelines wherein you can reach the totality of the symptoms, and how you are looking. So important thing is there are one dimension, two dimension, three dimension way of looking into the things. But if a homeopathic physician has a 360-degree vision to look into the patient, that is a bird view of a patient, how he sits, how he talks, what is exactly the individuality of the patient. If you see to it that how exactly the patient is behaving before you, you will come to know his individuality. Due to that reason, what you are looking for and how you are looking for becomes very important quality in the way of finding your way towards the totality of the symptoms. Then you must use all the bit of information what the patient is giving. So this is very important for any homeopathic physician to see to it that even a smaller bit of the information what patient is trying to tell will be very important. So sometimes a single bit of symptoms will turn the case around and show you to the totality. Due to that reason, you must make a note of a habit that whatever a single bit of a symptom the patient is trying to give it to you, you must note it down properly, understand it properly. Then the way towards the totality of medicine is easy, friends. Next is record whatever you see disturbed in the patient. That is to say, when you observe the patient, whatever you feel changed in the health to diseased state, you must note it down. Many a times gestures, sitting postures, and he will be roaming around a single symptom that will also help in finding your way towards the totality of the patient. Due to that reason, whatever you observe during the case taking, you must note it down separately and it will help in your case evaluation and finding the way towards the totality of the symptoms. Try to see and find the patient what he is hiding. So many a times patient will not reveal many a things. So you must find a way to see to it that what the patient is hiding, so that it will be a key to find the totality of the symptoms. Many a times the patient whatever is hiding, which will be very helpful for the physician to reach the totality of the symptoms. And many a times the patients will not reveal to you, they will be saying to the friend, saying to the husband, saying to the wife. Due to that reason, you must be in between the lines to understand what the missed words they are telling to the co-friend or a friend or a wife or a husband, so that you can come to the totality of the symptoms very easily. Try to understand the patient's individuality so that it can be applied in our repertorization and we can reach the totality of the symptoms. And another one very important feature what homeopathic physician should have to find his own way towards totality is finding the non-clinical symptoms, that is non-diseased symptoms. So he is very empathetic. So this is a non-diseased symptom. So this is nothing concerned with the disease, empathy, sympathy, and he is more emotional. So these are all the things what homeopathic physician should note down, so that these are not the clinical symptoms or disease symptoms, but these are the individualistic symptoms of each individual patient, so that it will be categorizing his individuality to find the medicine for him. You must ask about the hobbies, habits, so that you can come to understand whatever he is doing in his daily routine, and which will help to find the way towards the totality of the medicine and find your way to the totality. You must also ask the patient what disturbs him or her a lot and what situation he will be more happy, so that this will make you understand the core quality of the patient which is not related to the disease. So that if he is a grimming person, he will be always grimming. If he is a sad person, he will be telling about only sad things. If he is very confident, he will be telling everything in a confident way. So you must understand the basic quality of the patient, he or her, so that you can come to the proper way to find the totality of the medicine. You must become the mirror. The homeopathic physician should become the mirror to the patient, so that he will reveal each and every bit of a symptom before you, so that he himself will see inside you and tell that these are all the disturbed thing in him, so that you must make and trigger the patient's emotional and other things, so that he will be confident on you, and he will reveal all the things whatever possible to help him out to come out of his disease. So that you must create a good relation with the patient, so that he will not hide anything before you. So these are all the qualities of the homeopathic physician, and you must find your way towards your own totality of the medicine, or you must find your way to find the proper medicine for each individual patient. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And one more request is, friends, please share this video to your friends who are homeopathic medicos, homeopathic doctors and homeopathic practitioners. So this is all today, friends. Thank you. Take care.